welcome to Monday Morning Trader, the show designed to help you supplement your income. Today is April 6, 2020, and we are going to take a look at this week's covered call pick. Now, to review, here are the stocks that were on our radar this weekend. We had Gilead Sciences, Alpha Pro Tech, United States Oil Fund, and Slack Technologies. Each one of these had some events happen either over the weekend or right off the bat here as the market opened to kind of dictate which one we were going to go with. Again, Gilead Sciences last week, a lot of good rumors. Talks of a buyout started the day up a little bit. Pre-market was actually up to about 80, and then it settled back. Did not go with them. United States Oil Fund, a lot of talk over the weekend that Russia and Saudi Arabia were kind of going at it again and not agreeing on some things, blaming each other. Meeting scheduled for Thursday to maybe get this details hammered out that they're going to pull back production a little bit. But in the meantime, that volatility there has caused that stock price to go down quite a bit. So not going to touch that one yet. Slack Technologies, some talk that they were going to make some debt available to be bought. Thought maybe that would help them, and they came out hot a little bit, and then they've settled back down. Alpha Pro Tech, over the weekend, Joe Biden and Dr. Fauci said, hey, we wear masks in public. We think President Trump should as well. And that is the reason why, not the only reason why, but the reason I went with Alpha Pro Tech this weekend. It started off at $15.80. The bid and the ask there for the 16 and the 820. Strike prices, to me, if I can get over $1, I figured that's a pretty good return there. Still a decent amount of volume and open interest there. So I just thought, you know what, this thing might have another week in it with some ability to run. I liked the way the chart was shaping up. I thought it was kind of going to get up there in the 17.5 range and maybe plateau a bit. I'm not expecting it to go up to 40 again, obviously. I mean, I could be wrong. But I just thought, you know what, maybe it's going to go out there, kind of level off, and we go there. So if we look at kind of what we were able to get in on there, we bought 1,900 shares at $16.09. So it shot up about 29 cents before we were able to get it. It continued to go up and actually touched $17 here this morning already. I'm recording this about an hour into market being open. Right away, I turned around and I sold some call options. Sold open. I was looking for $1.10. I got $1.25. So, and I did it at the $18 strike price. So I felt pretty good about that. Unfortunately, since all this happened, the stock price has settled, has come back to earth a little bit. Not really sure what's going on, but it's down in the $15 range yet already as I'm recording this. So this will be an interesting one to watch here. So our initial investment, $30,571, 19 shares at $16.09. All right. Our potential Friday selling amount would get up to $36,575 with that 1,900 shares at $18 plus the $1.25 premium. Huge rate of return right there, 19.6%. So again, we're shooting for the moon here. Probably maybe not the smartest choice, but again, I felt good about the mask, felt good about the demand for it, and I didn't think that was completely reaching too far, and I don't think this is being irresponsible or anything, just because I think this is a solid company. The demand is not going anywhere right now. Maybe in a month or two, this would be a choice, but right now I don't think that's the case. Break even for this trade is at $14.84. Like I said, it's already gone up to about 17, touched that. Now it's down to 15 as I record this. Who knows what it will be at the end of the week. This is a short week also with Good Friday at the end of the week, so not as much time for it to go up, down, whatever. That does mean that there's a potential here I could be holding on to this for another week, and if that's the case, I don't mind that too much because I think this is a solid stock right now in this environment. Thank you for listening. Check back later. I'm going to try to do some nightly shows here lately or see how this goes with taking a look at the market for the day, how it's gone, how it went, and what's looking good for the upcoming days. Please subscribe if you get the chance. That way you don't miss out on any of our shows. And as always, happy trading. Remember, stay green, but not greedy.